Metal hammer, cold command, echoes forged by iron hand, pulse of power, sharp and clear, breaking silence, drawing near, clang and clash, mechanical beat, heart of circuits, stark and sweet, chains align, encoded dance, body moves in cold expanse. Force descends in measured time, grinding gears, relentless rhyme, shadows bend beneath the weight, steel and sound converges fate, unyielding, hard to break, pressure builds, edges shake, underneath the pounding storm, fire resolve are born, sparks ignite the darkened night, metal hammer, strength and light. From the noise, a shape defined, minimal soul, redefined.